What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make yourself a day and night cycle in Roblox Studio. So let's get on with it. So in the server script service in Explorer, add a script. We can delete this default code here, and I'll link this code in the description and the pinned comment. So the code is local minutes after midnight equals 0 while true do game.Lighting set minutes after midnight. Then in brackets you do a minutes after midnight. Then underneath this code you put a minutes after midnight equals minutes after midnight, there you go, plus 1. Then you do a rate 0.1, and actually note here that you, for the rate 0.1 and plus 1, you can put any of, you don't have to put 0.1 and 1. If you want the game to be like real time, like 1 second each, then you can put 1.0 and then increment it by 1. If you want it to be faster, but like not really fast, but like normal time, but like it goes incrementing by like 5 instead of 1, so then you can put a rate 0.5 or 0.6 and then increment each by like 5. So for this sake, just to make it quicker, I'm going to do plus 1 and rate 0.1. So now that we've done that, we can go to here, script, and I'm going to do a run here so that it makes it easier. And we can actually go to the lighting tab right here, and we can see that this goes up by 1. It's a bit laggy here, but it does go up by 1. It's just incrementing it really fast. So it starts at midnight. You can see the moon going down. Once the moon goes down and hits this side of the floor here, the sun comes up. So we see this going down, and then you can see the sun rays going up. Once it hits this, somewhere around the middle, there you go. Now it's sunny. Turn around, and we see the sun right around, right opposite it. So this also loops. Once this goes down, it comes up the moon, and then it goes loops all the way. So I'll just show you how it is with the real time with 1 second each. So as you can see, it's the same kind of thing, but if we go to the lighting, the time kind of replicated our real time in real life, going up by 1 second each. This is obviously quite good for simulator or town and city games. As you can see, this kind of moving right here. So yeah, that's basically how you have a day and night cycle, or an in-game day and night cycle in Roblox Studio. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next Roblox Studio tutorial, whenever that is. Haven't got really around doing Roblox Studio tutorials, so I'm sorry for the nearly 2 year wait. I will be back with more Roblox Studio tutorial videos soon. So thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.